How to download Reddit on your iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to download Reddit on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you're on the App Store, now click on the search bar and search for Reddit. After you search for it, click on the second option where you can see the icon for Reddit. Tap on it and click on download button. As soon as you click on download, your app will start to download. It might take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. And as you guys can see, Reddit has been downloaded on our device. Just simply tap on open. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download Reddit on our iPhone device. If you guys have any issues regarding Reddit, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.